Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the unboxing video for the Faber Castell Albrecht Durer watercolor pencils. And I got these as an early Christmas present from my wonderful and loving husband. This is very overwhelming for me. I have never had in my life something so nice like this. And I'm very, very, very happy that I have received this as a wonderful gift. This is the 120 set, I guess, top set available from Faber Castell. And it is by far the finest quality you can get in a watercolor pencil, in my opinion. There are other companies that make watercolor pencils, but for me, I've always loved Faber Castell products. I love their quality. I love everything I've ever gotten from them. I have never had any issues. And so therefore, of course, these are like a dream come true for me. And I hope you enjoy my unboxing video. So these, this box comes in it has a little cover that you just, a sleeve that you just remove. And the box, I believe, is made out of beechwood. To me, that's what it smells like. I'm pretty sure it's not pine, which surprises me. I thought it'd be pine. And on the sleeve, there's several different languages available, just giving you a quick overview of what you will find inside. And there's a picture of the product, the full picture. And these are the 120 colors that are available in the box, and those are like the printed swatches. I think they're pretty accurate considering this is Faber Castell. And these pencils are made in Germany, as are, I believe, like the entire product is made in Germany. Germany is known for, encouraging artisans to flourish, and the culture encourages handmade artisan type products. So I would not be surprised at all if this entire line, everything about it is made in Germany. The quality is outstanding. There are these knobs that you just turn, so it's pretty foolproof. You can't not tell that it's not going to open. It won't open unless you turn the knob to those openings. There's no other way around it. So it's not like you're going to accidentally, not, leave it like that. The only way you could probably is if you accidentally left it open. But yes, check that out. Isn't it glorious? The pencils, oh my goodness, and look at those glorious colors. And I cannot wait to use them. The pencils smell good too. I don't know why no one ever mentions the smell of new art supplies, but oh my goodness, they smell amazing. There's no chemical odor or anything. They just smell like really good art products. And I highly recommend that you smell these when you get them. I love the way they arranged it from light to the darks and from cooler to warmer. I think that's very nice because that's exactly how an artist would arrange them. So it's much easier to pick out and find. And there's a tiny little brochure inside, also again in all several different languages. And it's just a quick description of things you can do and other products that you can get from Faber Castell. It's a nice little brochure. I have not even read it though, to be honest. But yeah, there it is for you. And another thing I wanted to mention, I think I have a clip, but underneath, yeah, there it is. There's the little storage tray. You can put several more pencils in there. You can put pencils, erasers, or whatever else you can fit in there. The slots are the length of an entire pencil, so that's kind of nice. You can't remove it. It's not a tray. The actual tray that these are in is made out of a very durable plastic molding, and the pencils are very easy to remove too. You just tip them out, and it's fantastic. It's a really good design, and you can just tip out the pencil using your thumb, and there you are. It's very, very convenient. And yeah, it's I mean, I cannot, everything was thought out. I believe they must have asked a bunch of different artists to, give their input on how to package this and how to, arrange the colors and things like that, because just everything, every detail was thought out perfectly. So this is the set. Please enjoy. If you have any questions about the set, feel free to put it down in the comments and I will answer your questions about them.